Hey guys, it's Talker here, and don't mind about the background noise. And this is going to be a screen recording test of the Lenovo Legion 5 15 with AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor. Oh god, that's a baby noise in the background. Sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, I got the new laptop recently, and yeah, it's got only 8 gigs of RAM and the Ryzen 7 4800H octa-core processor, and it's got a GTX 1650 graphics. But I had to disable hybrid mode in order to get a display capture to work, and as you can see, we have only GTX 1650 video card video card showed up, and oh my god, my English is a little bit sloppy right now after recording this, and yeah, and as you can see, it's on 1909, and I had to get Windows 10 version 2004 later on, so yeah, as you can see, version 1909, 18363, so yeah, that's it for now.